that's what it's already picked up.
My name is Yvette Milner. I'm president of Merit Contractors Association. We're happy to be partnering with Carol Paul at the Manitoba Construction Sector Council to put on this drones in construction training.
Manitoba Construction Sector Council and Merit Contractors did partner on this basic drone certification course, facilitated by Parker Klassen, and he's doing excellent, and I'm glad to be a part of this course and get my drone license as well.
Check for and avoid dust or dirt clouds. There's nothing, no wind blowing dust or anything around. We've been going over all the legislation, everything required to become a drone pilot, basic operations, advanced operations, drone fundamentals, lots of classroom practice time, getting everybody comfortable operating the drones, some obstacle courses, and now we're trying to do outside flights, moving into more advanced operations.
Today we're supposed to be flying and practicing with the drones at the Fire Academy or Fire Training Facility in Winnipeg. I'm here to learn about the ins and outs of these drones and what are the rules and regulations. It's basically just telling all the things that we have to be aware of, things that I wasn't sure of before. So it's been pretty good training in that department.
We're just facilitating a little bit, working with the group and giving them the opportunity to use our training facility. We have a very evolved RPAS or drone program that started around 2017. We were kind of stuck on things that we used to do and didn't understand the advantages, but I think it's evident now what the advantages are for planning, safety, development, efficiencies. There's just no reason not to adopt it. The technology has advanced, costs have actually come down, regulations are improving. It's really a great time for anybody in any organization, particularly trades and construction, to get involved and realize the advantages that remote piloted systems can provide.
So this thing's doing in seconds what it would take hours.
Yeah.
So in the class we have a really wide range of individuals, primarily from construction, but there are some other individuals. We have someone from a diving company here, as well as some other people from educational organizations. So yeah, definitely a mixed bag to go ahead and to learn about drone applications, but certainly predominantly construction.
My name is Mabini Pagtakan, and I am a physics teacher with the Winnipeg School Division. And actually also in chemistry, we teach about radar and laser and about light and the technology that we use it for. And LiDAR is one of the things that are very useful in so many ways that we could use it. So I want to bring it to my classroom because I teach people who eventually become engineers, architects, designers, and this is something that I could actually integrate into the curriculum of Manitoba and use it as one of our experimental tools.
If strong winds prevent return flight, use camera to locate suitable divert location and land the aircraft. Today we are in our final day of the SkySkills class. This week we've been going over all the knowledge and practical skills that the class needs in order to become successful drone pilots and challenge the basic exam put on by Transport Canada.
I have my own drone similar to what they're using here to providing a DJI Mini, but I never ever imagined to unlock the full potential of it in terms of mapping out, LiDAR. All these terms were relatively new to me and unknown. Now I can go back and actually be more used for a company with in terms of mapping out properties, surveying highway, any construction.
We're here to celebrate the week of drone training that we had here in Kenora.
So we have 6 students from the local communities that are here. I believe most of them work as guardians with the Anishinaabe community. They've been great. Everyone's been on class, very engaged, and I hope they're getting lots of takeaways from it.
It's important that we move forward on technology. We've been here for thousands of years. We know our land, and we know how and why, where we have sites and how we want to protect those lands. And in terms of major infrastructure projects, whether by the feds, province, or individual proponents, it's important that we become a part of the design and the implementation of how we're going to protect the environment through traditional knowledge and science.